She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again y'all for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. So today's recipe, I went ahead and dug in my pantry to see what I could come up with, and I had a box of Jiffy corn muffin mix. I'm sure everyone's got at least one box of Jiffy in their pantry. I have more than one. So I decided to go ahead and make today a recipe using the Jiffy corn muffin mix. I'm going to go ahead and make you guys a barbecue chicken cornbread skillet. So this is going to have all the wonderful flavors of a barbecue chicken, and it's going to actually be intertwined with a delicious cornbread muffin crust. So if this idea sounds good to you guys, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, y'all, don't forget, drop me a comment down below. If you can, please share this video out. I always appreciate that, y'all. And if you are not subscribed, please stop waiting and go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you're notified of each and every time I drop a brand new video. So let's go ahead and get started.
Amaru, make it fire. Yeah, me no understand why you not here with me. Let me take it over for you, girl. You've been out searching the wrong place. On your mind, only place that I wanna be. You define what true beauty is all the way. So divine, God must took a long time to make you. Yeah, I know that you've been here before. It's different this time. You have me on your side. Follow me, follow me. I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, I go show you the way. Oh, c'est la vie, no movie. I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, I go show you the way. Oh, hey, mind your words when you talking about my baby. I'm out of words every time that she whining for me. For me, eyes only, body in motion, but her eyes on me. Her ex-boyfriend sent the guys on me. Turn around when they saw the 9 on me. Hey, I know that you've been here before. It's different this time. You have me on your side. Follow me, I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, I go show you the way. Oh, c'est la vie, no movie. I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, I go show you the way. Oh, searching, yeah. You've been searching in the wrong place. Girl, you've been searching, yeah. You've been searching in the wrong place, yeah. I know that you've been here before. It's different this time. You have me on your side. Follow me, I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, I go show you the way. Oh, c'est la vie, no movie. I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, I go show you the way. Oh, I'ma be right here, girl, right next to you. Surfing in the wrong way. You be surfing. Searching. You been searching, yeah. my, oh my. Mommy, hey, you made a permanent home in my head.
Alright, y'all, so here we have it, an easy barbecue chicken cornbread skillet, where we've got that wonderful bottom layer and crust of that cornbread, and then on top of that we've got that delicious barbecue chicken mixture that has the homemade barbecue sauce and the chicken and the jalapenos and the onions, and then went ahead and just topped it with some cheese to make it extra cheesy and good. And I also just went ahead and added some green onions and some cilantro just to make it a little pretty and fresh looking on top. But definitely all the flavors come together so good with this barbecue chicken cornbread skillet. You're gonna love all the flavors. Use any kind of barbecue sauce that you like, make your own, or use your favorite brand. You can also use another cornbread mix. I just use Jiffy because that's usually what I have on hand and it's cheap, but it still tastes good. If you did enjoy the recipe, please go ahead and give me that thumbs up. Definitely leave me a comment down below so I can know if you liked it or not. Share this video out. Much love, guys. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you never miss a new video. You guys take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.
Oh my, can't wait to show you off. Come out, I'm pulling up. Yeah.
Oh ma, lo que tengo contigo ma, esto está fijo ma.
She told me that I make